Hello, hi, I'm Shoshana. Welcome to the oldest house in Ein Kerem. Come have a look, it's very beautiful here. We just fell in love, we didn't mean to buy a house here. I never dreamed I will live here. And the moment we saw the house and the view from the roof, we decided to buy it without having the money. Inside we have a wine press from the time of the second temple.
Wow, that's amazing. So the people who've been running with us know that we talked about the importance of Ein Kerem in the Christian scriptures, and the idea that traditionally this is the hometown of Elizabeth and Zechariah and birthplace of John the Baptist. So that's the time period, which means Shoshana has a wine press here from the exact time period we were talking about.
Did you know that in Morocco, in the beginning of the month, the women used to make a love party? They used to make a special couscous, these herbs that make you feel passion. So today I make a special jam for love. This one for women and this one for men. Here it is.
Okay, what do we have here?
So here we have the traditional Moroccan jam.
L'chaim. People still live here. Like that's what's so beautiful about Jerusalem, is that you're talking about a history going back thousands of years, but it's not just like it's an abandoned archaeological site. We use it, we live it, it's vibrant.
I started with my children to discover my tradition again.